In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to do a meets and bounds description. In front of us are 4 bearings with corresponding distances, and so we're going to run around this parcel boundary using this information. So the first thing we can do is we can just start the typical line command. And I'm going to start in the upper left-hand corner, and I just click anywhere. This is an assumed coordinate system. If you're on a particular coordinate system, you can of course start with that starting coordinate. Over here are what they call transparent commands, and if you don't have this loaded up, you can right click in the gray area and go to Civil and load up transparent commands. You need this view showing so you can work around this boundary. So we're going to choose this icon right here, the bearing distance icon. And the first bearing is a southeast. So we click anywhere in the southeast quadrant and we keying 88.1544, enter, and we key in 209.68. And then it allows us to start the next course. The next course is a southwest, so anywhere in here, does not matter where we select. Now we key in 6.5241 and a distance of 226.73. We'll continue around here. The next one is the northwest. This is the northwest quadrant. We key in 73.4952, and we also key in a 296.85. And at this point, if you want to just close it, you can, but since we have an actual bearing and distance, we're going to use that. We'll go to the northeast quadrant, click anywhere, 34.3624 and a 180.78. And in fact, it almost closes. We're off via a rounding error by 51 thousandths. So that's actually pretty good. We can check our line work by going to the General tab, going Add Labels. The type of label is a line and curve, and we're going to go bearing and distance for this example. So we say Add. We'll plunk those in and check our numbers. 88 degrees 1544. We have that there, 209.68. The style in this I'm going to work on very quickly to kind of clean it up so we can see what's going on a little bit easier. So I'm going to get rid of the directional arrow. The bearing, I'm going to bring it to 1 second even. And I think for this example, I will not have it spaced. The segment, I'll bring to the 100th of a foot, not the 1000th. And that looks good. So when we say OK, all these will clean up. Now this second course is 652.41. That's exactly what we have here. 226.73, exactly what we have there. And so on and so forth. This last course, what we may want to do is do a slight adjustment to this and completely close that and see how it affects our course here. So our final course is off 6 seconds from 24 to 30. And the distance is exactly the same, 180.78. And that is how you run through a meets and bounds course for a parcel.